Hi guys. Hey, I wanted to show you guys a few NASCAR kits that I picked up a while back on eBay. Um, I had these kits years ago and either build them and they got destroyed moving or never build them or whatever. So this one here, Kenny Shrader and Alan Kulwicki, Rookie of the Year cars. And when I was looking at the pictures on eBay, it looked kind of weird because there were three cars. And so I'm like, okay, well, So there was the blue car, and there was a yellow car, but then there was another yellow car. Well, when I got it, I started looking, and there was a Rick Wilson Kodak Films number 4 in there also. So it was like, okay. And it had a couple of things missing. The instructions were wrong. There were a couple of things that weren't right with it. So I went ahead and, basically got 3 for 2. And so, yeah, the Kenny Shrader car, that's just absolutely awesome. I love that body style, the Ford Thunderbird. And but then I got this one, and you probably hear my kitten being annoying in the background. She's mad because I got the door shut. But got Kenny's Red Baron Pizza, Junie Donlevy, number 90. So got that. Well, it had the same thing. There was another yellow car in there and another Kodak Films setup. And I started looking at it, and they were Ernie Irvan decals. So I was like, okay, what the heck? Well, then I got to researching online, and come to find out, there was a 2-pack back years ago of the 2 Kodak Films cars. But this person threw them in on the eBay deal and didn't have the box evidently for the other 2 kits. So ended up with both of them, both kits, with an extra Kodak film kit for each one. And yeah, that was just absolutely crazy. I'm gonna let her in because she's being annoying. But yeah, so I am gonna start just this Rick Wilson car first because I already ended up painting it, and ended up shooting the outside, so that's already painted. And but yeah, I'm gonna start working on that one. Got the chassis sprayed black. Funny thing, I was looking on eBay, or not eBay, but YouTube, to see, get out of there before you break something, you goofball. To see the real cars up close, and come on, get off the box. To see the real cars up close, and Larry McClure, he said, yeah, he goes, our cars, he said, we always had black chassis and underside and all that. He goes, everybody else was running gray and all those colors. He goes, we went ahead and we wanted to go black because you can hide a lot more things with black paint than you can gray going through tech inspection. So that was pretty funny. But yeah, so, well, like I said, I got several NASCAR kits here to be doing. And like I said, there were eBay finds, and each one of them had a extra car in there. So pretty neat deal. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you that. And like I said, I've already kind of started this one here, and want to get going on it and get her done. So, well, guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thanks for watching. And like, subscribe, and comment. And Wilma and I will catch you on the next one. Say bye. Say bye. Hey, say bye. You're mouthy all the other times. All right, guys. Take care. Bye.